Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, latest specs, and automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, an iconic muscle car that continues to push the limits of performance and style. The 2025 Camaro Z28 is all about delivering raw power and a thrilling driving experience. Under the hood, it features a naturally aspirated 6.6-liter V8 engine that pumps out an impressive 550 horsepower and 480 pounds-feet of torque. This makes it a beast on the track, with incredible acceleration and a top speed that competes with some of the best in its class. Paired with the 6-speed manual transmission, the Z28 offers enthusiasts a direct and engaging connection to the road, which is a hallmark of this legendary model. When it comes to handling, the Camaro Z28 doesn't disappoint. With its upgraded suspension, including adaptive dampers, and a lighter chassis compared to previous models, the car feels planted and agile even on tight corners. The Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring that you're in control no matter the driving conditions. The exterior of the 2025 Z28 stays true to the Camaro's aggressive design language. It sports an aerodynamic body with sharp lines, a low-slung stance, and an imposing front grille that commands attention. The Z28 is further distinguished by its wider tires and track-focused enhancements, such as the large rear wing and functional air vents, which improve both performance and cooling. Inside, the Camaro Z28 blends sporty elements with modern technology. The Recaro seats offer great support during high-speed driving, while the driver-focused cockpit ensures easy access to controls. You'll find a higher-resolution touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, including smartphone connectivity, a premium sound system, and advanced navigation. Driver assist features such as blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera are included to enhance safety without compromising the performance-oriented feel of the car. Thanks for tuning into Wheelwise Reviews. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. We've got plenty more reviews, comparisons, and car tips coming your way,